Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Miss B, and I'm back with you with another 100% remote job. Yes, let's check it out. CVS Health is currently recruiting customer service representative. This is a work from home opportunity for candidates located in Eastern Time Zone, and the work schedule will be in Eastern Time Zone. All candidates must be available to work the hours of 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. You will handle customer service inquiries and problems via telephone, internet, web chat, or written correspondence. Now for the pay. The typical pay range for this role is a minimum $17 to a maximum $27.16. Required qualifications are ability to multitask and prioritize while maintaining a pleasant and calm demeanor with customers, patients, and caregivers. Able to learn and utilize new technology as service evolves. You should be naturally passionate about proactively engaging with and caring for customers to understand their needs and explain their products and services available that influences their decision. So now for the education, high school diploma or GED equivalent. So guys, if you're interested in this one, go ahead and apply. I'll be putting the link in my comment section. I'm out. See you in the next one.